My name is Gustavo Carro, and I worked as a researcher in the Elgas project, where my role was to transform the data we collected from different chips and transform it into meaningful information. For me, the most challenging part of processing the data is the variety and amount of sensors we have in the devices. For example, the pollutants they measure should be calibrated differently, or the impact they have on the human health is also different. For that reason, to create an algorithm that is capable of working on different scenarios is the most challenging part for me. There are different ways the algorithm transforms the data into meaningful information. One of them is to convert the raw data, let's say millivolts, into concentration units or temperature units. And other way, for example, is to generate data visualizations, which is a very straightforward way to interpret the data. We measure different pollutants with certain impact on the human health. Then we compare the concentration values with different thresholds for different countries. And we combine all the pollutant-related risk into one single level of risk. Not all countries use the same type of thresholds. And even in the same country, sometimes there are different organizations that use different types of thresholds depending on the context. For that reason, we try to create an algorithm which combines all these thresholds into one single model. So thanks to the algorithm, we are able to convert all this huge amount of data into one single risk that is easier for the crew to understand and to give interpretation without the necessity of an expert. And of course, a better way to understand the data is by using visualizations such as graphs and heat maps. And if you are able to superpose the risk information on these graphs, you will get a better understanding on how the environment impacts the health of the crew.